to solve this using the quadratic formula, we need to first of all consider the general formula, which is ax squared plus bs plus c equals 0. Next, we compare. 2 is in the position of a, so a is 2. Minus 5 is in the position of b, hence b is minus 5. Minus 3 is in the position of c, hence c is minus 3. From the given question, we have extracted the values of a, b, and c. Next, we are going to consider the quadratic formula. To find x1, we're going to consider the plus, and to find x2, we're going to consider the minus. For x1, we're going to have minus is here, but b is minus 5. For x1, I will consider the plus, and inside the square root, this is minus b, which is minus 5, and the minus 5 is squared. Next, we have a minus. Then 4 will multiply a is 2, and it will multiply minus 3. And everything is dividing 2 times a is 2. And x1 is minus times minus will give you plus, and we have 5. This plus, inside the square root, this is squared, minus 5 times minus 5 will give you 25. And we have a minus. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by minus 3 will give you minus 24. At the denominator, we have 4. Next, x1 is 5 plus minus times minus is plus. Everything divide by 4. x1 will now be 5 plus, and inside the bracket, we're going to have 49. At the denominator, we're going to have 4. x1 is now 5 plus the square root of 49 is 7. Everything divide by 4. And 5 plus 7 is 12 divided by 4. x1 is now 3. And we have gotten one of the roots of the quadratic function, which is x1. Next, we're going to look for the second root, which is the one with the minus. Everything we have done here is the same for the minus using this quadratic formula, except that instead of plus, this time around we are going to use a minus. Now, our x2 will become, here I will have 5 minus 7 over 4. Everything will be the same, except that this will just change sign to become a minus. And here 5 minus 7 is minus 2 divided by 4 at the denominator. Our x2 is minus 1 over 2. Now we have found the two roots, x1 and x2.